So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab and just open the console incognito window and make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video. Now just right click over here and open the link incognito window. Now simply click on I understand and open a notepad. Now from here, just click on I agree and continue. And let me just change the font size and color. So first thing what you have to do, you have to just create a API key. So for that, just click on it and just click on the credentials like this. Okay. Now from here, just click on create API key. Now come to the lab instruction and just come to task number 1. After that, you have to just copy this command and simply paste it over here like this and just export your API key like this. Copy it and just replace it from here to here. Now just activate the Cloud Shell. Here you have to click on continue and then just authorize yourself. Just click on authorize. Now let me just increase the text size. Okay, now minimize it. And from here what we have to do, we have to open the cloud storage. If it is not visible, you can type it also and just open it. Here we have to create a simple bucket. So click on create bucket. Now come to the lab instruction and from here we have to just copy the name of the bucket like this. You can check the score for task number 1 also. Now just paste it, click on continue, and from here we have to just do all these things. So okay, so just click on continue, and from here just click on continue again and just uncheck this checkbox and make it fine graded. Okay, these two steps are very important. Now simply come down and create the bucket. Now after that, what we have to do, we have to upload this image and save it as sign.jpg. So just copy it, right click over here and save the image, and just let me just save it. So let's save it over here. So finally it is saved. Now come back over here, and what you can do, you can drag and drop also, or you can simply click on upload files and just upload the file from where you have simply saved it. So let me just upload it. So from here, let me just upload it like this. So it is being uploaded, and within few seconds finally it is uploaded. Now what we have to do, come down over here and we have to just add the access to it, that is all users and readers. So just copy it from here, click on these 3 dots and just click on edit access, add entry, make it public, all users already selected. Okay, then simply make it reader also if it is not selected and just save it. So the first thing we have done is this. Now simply check the score. Now we have to create a new file name ocr.request.json, ocr-request.json. So for that, come over here, type nano space and just paste the name over here, hit enter, paste, copy the content, paste over here, and to exit you have to press but before that you have to modify the file. Okay, so for the bucket name, you can copy the bucket name directly from here also. This is the bucket name, copy it and just update it. Okay, so just use the up arrow key, come over here, right arrow key, and just stop over here, backspace, paste it. All things are correct. Now you have to exit, Control X, Y, hit enter. So this is done. You can hit enter once again. Now from here, these things we have done. Now we have to run the curl command. So just run it. If you are getting error over here, do not worry. Okay. So one more time. Just run this command, paste it. Okay, I got the error why we are getting it. So we have to export the API key first of all. Now just come over here to task number 3. From here, just copy this particular name. Okay, but before that we have to export the API key if you remember. So just copy it and just paste over here, hit enter. Now just copy this name, carefully copy this name, type nano, paste the name, hit enter. Now just add all these contents which are listed over here, but it's better to just update on the notepad. So just hit enter on the notepad, and here we have to update the bucket URL. So for the bucket name, you can come over here and just copy from here. Okay, just update the bucket URL over here like this. So now copy, wait a second, copy from here to here and just come over here and simply paste it. To exit, Control X, Y, and then hit enter. So we have added this file. Now we have to call it. So just run this command. And you can see here we have got the output. Now we have to move to the next step. So just come down over here and run the next command over here. So it is also done. Now in the next step, we have to just create a new file. So just copy this name, type nano, wait a second, type nano space file name, hit enter, and just copy the code, paste over here, and here it's asking for your text. So okay, so let it save it. X, Y, hit enter, Control X, Y, hit enter. Now just run this command, and after that just run this command. So both things are done. Now what we have to do, we have to create a nl request.json file. So just type nano space, paste the name, hit enter, just add the content over here, paste it. To exit, Control X, Y, and then hit enter. So all these things are done. Now you have to run it one by one. So here we have got some output. Now what we have to do, we have to check the score. So okay, let's run the curl command again. If you are not getting the score, you can wait for a few minutes and you'll be get the score. So thank you. Have a great day.